Alright, good morning folks. Today's project is trying to come up with some kind of device to bundle campfire bundles, firewood bundles. And I've been thinking about this, don't want to go spend a bunch of money because I don't know if this is going to be viable or not. So I just need something thrown together that I can make a few bundles, take around to some of the convenience stores, bait shops, campgrounds, RV parks, stuff like that, and see how well they're going to sell. So I have several problems already. One being I don't have maybe 2 face cords of seasoned wood, so that would go pretty quick if this becomes popular. And at least me with no firewood for this winter, so I have to get cutting. I will probably buy some seasoned firewood. Obviously the profit's not going to be as much if I do that, but then again, I'll have no cutting or splitting labor in that. I'll probably have to re-split it. So anyway, here's what I've come up with for right now. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do, and I hadn't really figured this out yet all the way, but I'm going to take 2 pallets, cut some of these slats off. Now these, most of your campfire wood is going to be 15 to 16 inches. These 2 spaces right here, just right at 16 inches. So I want to wrap my wood with plastic wrap in the middle. I don't think the ones that are wrapped on the ends look that good, and maybe that's not even a concern, but if I'm going to wrap wood, plus it's twice as much labor when you're wrapping the ends as a wrap around the middle. So, and I want to put a label in mine, so I want to figure out some way that I can wrap those in the middle and go from there. So let me get my sawzall. I'm going to take a few of these planks off, and I'm designing as I go. Orchlands, one more day of sale. Okay, Orchland, sorry. So anyway, let me get my sawzall. I'm going to take some of this off. I think it's coming together, folks. Coming together, I think. Let's see if I can find some scrap lumber now. Okay, let me show you what I came up with. First off, I want it secured. I want it more secured. I added this 1x4 across here. It doesn't matter. I have a nice pile of scrap lumber that so I added it across here, and then I secured it to the tree. I'll probably put another one down here because it's still not quite as strong as sturdy as I'd like it. Then I measured 10 inches over, marked that, 10 inches over, marked this, then put scrap 1x4s, and they don't look like they're even. But I measured here and here, and they're all 10 inches. So I think these pallets aren't quite lined up, and I'll deal with that. So 10 inches down, 10 inches across, 10 inches up, 10 inches down, across. Actually, these are a little higher than 10 inches, like 10 1/4. That's fine. I'm not going to lose sleep over it. So now, let's see. Firewood will go in here, and I will, you know what, I'll probably cut this off. And that way, wrap here. Let me do that, see how that's going to work. Okay, that's still not looking right to me. Yeah, these pallets are a little off. There, that's better. Okay, well, let's just see if this thing will work. I'll get some firewood, get my wrap, and we'll test it out. Okay, here goes the first bundle, 1 acre homestead. Campfire wood. Ooh, that's barely a 16. You're wondering why I'm breathing so hard. I had to walk down the hill and split some. My firewood I cut for myself is too short. So this is some standing oak, dead oak I had. A little bit extra. That right there is a piece left over. Like I said, this is something I found at Walmart. It's just for moving and stuff. It's moving wrap. See, right now that handle may get in the way. There we go. There we go. That handle is going to get in the way. Are you timing me? How long does this take? Okay, there you go. First bundle. What do y'all think? Professional firewood bundle of people. Yeah, probably put a few more. I'm going to take the handle off that wrap though. Or come back out with this a little bit. Okay. Let you have it. That's 10.5 that way. So yeah, that worked pretty good. I'm sure as I do more. That was my first bundle. I'll get faster. Figured all this out. But yeah, there you go. Now I can do probably a couple hundred here. And if I see that these are going to sell, then I will invest in a bundler or a better bundler. So I'm going to take you along as I try to sell these. Let you know how this works out. The biggest problem I have right now that I just learned that all my firewood I cut for myself, all the season stuff, is too short. Because I was going to buy a Camp Survivor wood stove and put it in the house, and probably not going to happen now. I'll probably get like an Ashley wood stove, which takes much longer. Plus, I'm cutting this. I don't see no reason cutting 2 or 3 different lengths of wood. I'm only going to cut 16, so my stove needs to be able to take 16. Okay, another update. Sorry, I'm just trying to get all these in this one video instead of making a bunch of little videos. I made a couple more bundles, and one thing is abundantly clear. This stretch wrap, which I gave about $7 or $8 for, from Walmart is not going to do that. It's too thin, and when you're trying to really get a tight wrap on it, it tears. So thanks to Joe at the Ohio Wood Burners. I'll try to remember to leave a link to his site channel below. He has some great information on getting started, and one of the things he went over was the wrap. And so there is I'm not using the company he recommended, because I found some on Amazon. I'll leave a link to those below. It's 90 gauge, which is heavier than the standard 80 gauge. It's 90 gauge, 5-inch wide. I think 1,000-foot rolls, 4 rolls, $40. That's $10 a roll. And this is $7 or $8 at Walmart. So I'm going to order that and use that to wrap, because this is just, my bundles are loose. I don't like that. This one's pretty tight, but I had probably 10 wraps on it. I'll probably redo these ones on the bottom. So there you go. If we start, get good wrap. This is the ones I'm ordering are 5-inch rolls. The ones Joe, one reason I'm not getting those is, and they're a good price, but I think they're 12 or 15-inch rolls. I think they're 12-inch rolls, and obviously I won't be able. I could probably do a 12-inch roll, but it would be a pain in the butt to this small area. So I'm using 5-inch. I found some on Amazon. Like I said, link to be below. So I'll probably do another video when I get that in about bundling. So, but this stuff here, Walmart and, you know, the big box stores, Lowe's and stuff, carries this real thin stuff. It's garbage. It's garbage for this job. Now for wrapping a box or something you're fixing to move in, probably be great. But get the heavy duty stuff, and there you go. Okay, just a quick update to my design. I cut these blocks off. No need for them. Did level my pallets. That's why they looked off. It was this one was lower at the bottom, so I just shimmed it up. Probably wouldn't have made a difference. It made a difference to me because it was driving me nuts. And the other thing is, I put another brace across the front right here. Got a brace to the tree, and you can see it's pretty sturdy now. Still, if I could get one back, but the way the tree grows, I don't think I can get one back there. So anyway, that's improved DIY design. I hope it helps you out if you're thinking about doing this. Like I say, I wouldn't think that this would be sturdy to last forever. Don't expect it to, but I expect it to get me in the game and see if this is something I'll be able to make money off grid with.